Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to update your monitor's driver in Windows 11. So let's get started. So first of all you have to go to search bar and type device manager. Open device manager, then maximize the window. Now here in the left you can see the list of all the driver listed here. So you have to find for monitor. As you can see your monitors, double click on it. Now you can see the option integrated monitor, so you have to right click on it, and here you can see the option update driver, so click on it. Now you will get two different options. So first one will tell you to search automatic drivers, so I will tell you what will it do. It will search your computer for the best available driver and install it on your device. And second one is browse my computer. It's necessary if you have already downloaded the file, so we will click on the first file. Now you can see my integrated monitor is already up to date, so close this window. Okay, now you on the search bar go to settings, open settings. Now after opening settings, go to Windows Update and click on download and install. As you can see here, Windows Update, it will start checking for the latest update for your monitor's driver, and it will also tell you if there is another driver available or not. So again click on check for updates. It will start checking for the updates. It will take a few minutes to check for your updated driver list or not, so you can directly download from here. And till then, if you have not subscribed my channel, kindly like and subscribe my channel, so I will give you more tech tips on Windows 11. It's taking some time. As you can see, my latest intelligence update Microsoft is already completed, and my okay. Now you can see I got some updates and start installing, and you can check with the same method in your computer or PC. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.